Let me show you how to test if a knife is really good. Alright, so we're going to use the Chef April Bloomfield carbon knife that they sent us. They sent us 3 of them, but I think this one will do the job the best. You might be thinking, how do you pronounce this? You just go, meh, 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 and then you mumble enough until people forget about it. Okay, we got the knife. That shit be fancy. Okay, let's see. Let me show you what the real test is. We're going to crack a slab. Cutting vegetables, too easy. Cracking bones, too easy. We're gonna do some precision work right now. Alright, let's see. Just kidding, this knife is too thin and too expensive. We're gonna use my cheap knife for this that I got for free from China. And boom, that's how you get a Neo Hulugia with a swirl in it. Amazing. They'll be on sale on Whatnot on this Sunday if you want them.